These chocolate banana oat bars are full of creamy chocolate, naturally sweet bananas and healthy oats, and together they make a delicious treat that defies expectations. Add 6 mashed bananas to around 4 cups of oats. Now add 1 cup of peanut butter. Mix everything nicely before folding in chocolate chips. Now fold in around half a cup of chocolate chips and be sure to save some for later. Carefully pour into pan lined with parchment paper, making sure to spread it evenly so that it bakes evenly. Now spread your reserved chocolate chips on top. Bake at 350 for around 12 to 15 minutes. When it's done, resist the urge to eat right away. Allow your chocolate banana oatmeal bars to chill completely for the best texture and taste. Enjoy this delicious treat and savor every bite. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.